Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can link a focus to a lock screen or home screen on the iPhone 15 series. Now there are two different ways of doing this, so let's take a look at the two different methods. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, you want to go down and then tap on Focus. Next, select a focus that you want to link to a lock screen. For example, sleep focus. Then we go down to the Customize Screens section. And then on your left is your lock screen, so tap on Choose. And here you can create a new lock screen from here, or you can go down to the Choose from your lock screens section and select a lock screen. So let's say I want to select this lock screen right here, and then tap on Done. Now give it a few moments for that to get updated. And that's it. So now tap on the back key or swipe up. Now you can see if I now switch my focus to sleep focus, you can see the image or the wallpaper on the background changes. And if I go to my lock screen, that should get changed as well. Now at the moment it shows a black background. I think there is a bug with this, because when I open up my camera and then if I go back, it will show the background and it just goes black. So I think there is an error or a problem with that particular mod. So if I go to Do Not Disturb focus, you can see it shows the correct background linked to that Do Not Disturb focus. And another way that you can link to a focus is from your lock screen. So on my lock screen here, touch and hold on that, then tap on the link focus link button at the bottom, and here's a link focus. So you can link your lock screen to a different focus. So here let's say I want to link it to the sleep focus, and then tap on the close button and then tap on that. Now if I go down and turn on sleep, you can see turn off sleep, it will go back to a normal background. And if I go in and turn on sleep, then that should link to that particular wallpaper or focus. As I say, there must be some kind of bug at the moment causing it to go black with that focus. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.